Hello everyone, welcome to you all. Today we will learn the jump strategy using 100 charts. So before solving a problem, let's understand how we will go in 100 charts. This is called column. In column we can move up and down. This is called row. We can move right and left. When we move down in a column, the number increases by 10. It means the tens place value is increased by 1 in each step, whereas the unit place value remains same, as you can see here. And in addition we will move down. Similarly, when we are going to add ones, we move right in a row and the number increases by 1 in each step. Let us understand this by one examples. Now we are going to solve 36 plus 47 using jump strategy. And how 100 charts is helpful for this. Let's understand. The first step is split the smaller number into tens and ones. So as you can see here, the smaller number is 36. So split 36 into tens and ones. So 36 is equal to 30 plus 6. It means 36 has 3 tens and 6 ones. Second step, start from bigger number and add the tens by jumping down in a column, as we have seen this. So start from the bigger number, that is 47 in this, and we need to jump 3 step down because 30 in this there are 3 tens. So we have to add these 3 tens, we need to jump 3 step down. So 47 become 57 in first step. Second jump it becomes 67 and in third jump it becomes 77. So when we have added 3 tens in 47, it becomes 77. So third step, add the ones by jumping across in the row. So 77, 6 jump you have to take. In each jump the number is increased by 1. 77 becomes 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, and in sixth jump 83. So the final answer is 83. Thank you so much for watching. Like and share the video, subscribe the channel for more such upcoming videos.